west water heater, the T&P drain lines, they're either too tall or too short. Mentioned elsewhere in the report. The electronic ignition, still not seeing, get some light on the subject. We're still not seeing any expansion tank for the high water pressure. The gas line, that's the type that should be on the west one, is the one that you can operate by hand. And it's got a proper gas connector, but it still does not have a sediment trap, a drip loop, electronic, like I said. 50 gallons, 1 year. T&P and water supply lines should have been insulated. T&P should not create a trap. T&P should not be flexible. It's okay that they're flexible, but not this type of flexible because they're threaded. And so there's a possibility that this line could be threaded off. Chances are nil, but that's the way they write it. The Flue draft hood doesn't fit properly up here, and tape should not be used to secure the Flue draft hood. And the water supply lines, again, they should be insulated. We got a big gap in the wall behind the water heater here, where they've been doing some work and soldering, and that compromises the fire blocking between the water heater closet and the living space. And I don't know, is this unidentified organic substance that been painted over, or was this from the crappy soldering job that they've done? We had some torch blow all over the whole back wall over here, and some of those patterns look organic. If they had a water problem, they had to go into the wall to correct it, and that might have been an unidentified organic substance, which is code word for fungus, mildew, mold, take your pick. The closet doesn't seem to be ventilated correctly. Neither one of them do. We do have a vent up here in the ceiling, but it has a screen on it, which gets blocked. That's makeup air. And I'm really not seeing any provisions for combustion air in this closet. So